This is Nanny baked fish.
Obviously because it's COVID right now, so she can't be here. So we're gonna give her a call and ask her how to make it, so you guys at home can make it for your mum. Oh, hey Nan.
Nan, how are you?
Hello Sean and Craig. I miss you both. We used to have you around and you're not here anymore, but anyway. When you bring it from the shop, it coming from the shop and you don't know who's on it, wash them. If they even clean them, you still cannot go to the shop and just buy it and chuck it in the oven like that. You have to wash them off. A little bit of salt, not too much. Pepper, curry, garlic, pepper, onions, spring onion, you can put it on it. Just stir it up and then leave it. Let it soak for a little time. You don't have to put too much oil in here, might be just wet the tin a little, and then you take the fish out and put them one by one in the tin, and you make sure the tin is hot, a bit hot before you put it in. Put the fish in first, and then you put your onion in, and then it will simmer down. You want it to steam, and that is more healthy for everyone. Frying is not good for nobody. This is Nanny baked fish. Around, and I long to see everybody, but I'm okay. And you outside, enjoy yourself, don't get no virus, keep yourself safe. If you go, you know, to wear your mask and everything. Lots of people don't want to wear it, but being I'm old, I have to wear mine if I'm going out, you know. So keep safe, and I love you all. And I miss you. I look after my 2 grandsons, and I hope they look after you as well. They will. God bless everybody.